Today I'll be showing you how to make this Cajun Venison Alfredo. So stick tuned and enjoy the video. For this recipe we will start by cooking about 2.5 pounds of diced venison. Once our venison is brown, we're going to go ahead and add in 3 cups of chicken broth, a 1.5 cups of heavy cream, 1/4 tablespoon of ground jalapeno, 1/4 tablespoon of ginger, 1/4 tablespoon of paprika, a 1/4 tablespoon of cayenne, 1/4 tablespoon red pepper flake, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, and 3 diced garlic cloves. Now we're just going to go ahead and mix it all together and bring that up to a boil. Okay. Now once our sauce has come to a boil, we're going to go ahead and add in our noodles. I got a Cayenne noodle. And we're just going to go ahead and cook that until it becomes al dente. 10 to 12 minutes for these ones. And there you all have it.